Welcome to Brain Vision.
And this problem is kind of a little design problem that I'll sketch out here. So we're asked to figure out what angle. So we saw in the previous problem that the angle kind of really changes. It doesn't change this. Okay, so when we change the angle, this doesn't change. But the value at the middle, in the middle region, does. So what we want to know is what is here. We saw that we had a peak of this amount, and here we had a peak of this amount, and we want to know what angle, what is the which the maximum absolute value of the bending moment is as small as possible. So what we do is we want to find where this one, so as we change the angle, this like parabola here is going to shift up and down, and I've plotted it for various values here for 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and 0. So we have we know that this value is going to be minus 0.675 no matter what the angle is, and so we can figure out in this region where we have where we can get to what curve reaches a point maximum here of positive 0.675. And so we can look at, we know that that's at the midpoint, so the moment at the midpoint we can find is minus 0.375 plus 3/4 tangent theta. So we can then set that equal to 0.675, and we can figure out that the angle is where the maximum is basically this is the maximum angle we can have before we start getting magnitudes greater than this. So this is 54.5 degrees is the maximum angle we can have. Anything less than that, we will just have these maximum will be this value. Anything more than that will have something larger than that. So for values less than this is a maximum. For values more than this, we'll have some other maximum.